Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn a new phonic sound. Letter F. Please look at these pictures. Fish, fox, frog, flower. Fish, fox, frog, flower. And this is flamingo. Flamingo. Next picture is foot. Foot. And this one, food, not food, food, food. And look at this picture. This is leaf, leaf, leaf. Calf, calf, which ends with F. And this one is wolf, 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 ends with F. Shelf, shelf, ends with F. So the sound of letter F is F. Sound of letter F is as in leaf. F. It's very easy to identify the sound of a consonant at the end of a word, as I told you in previous videos. So practice the letter sound. See you tomorrow. Thank you.